Hello everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip. We're going to check out one of the places that every time I come to Vegas I must visit. It's Eataly here in Las Vegas, and I've been here, like I said, every trip I've made to Las Vegas I've been to Eataly, but I've only made one other video a couple of years ago, so we're going to revisit it again today. And I visited several of them in New York City. Those videos are available here on the New York channel as well, but I'm really looking forward to today's visit. And for those of you who don't know where Eataly is, it's located at the entrance of the Park MGM here on the Las Vegas Strip. And of course, there are several entrances to the Park MGM, but it would be a challenge to get into that casino without walking through Eataly. So come on, bring your appetite, and if you don't have one, you'll have one shortly. And let's take a walk around Eataly and see what's going on today. The Eataly franchise was pretty much conceived in November 2002, and the idea was pretty simple: to gather under one roof high-quality food at sustainable and reasonable prices for all. Also to celebrate Italian biodiversity and create an informal, natural, and simple place to eat, shop, and learn. And Eataly pretty much succeeded in what they set out to do. There's tons of Italian different types of food here that you can purchase, all kinds of goodies, and there's also Italian restaurants here that you can actually sit down or stand up if you want and have a meal. And there's cocktail lounges and wine bars, and you can purchase wine here if you'd like. And they also have classes here. So yes, they did create an informal, natural, and simple place to eat, shop, and learn. This is Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. I love those Lindt chocolate truffles, and I buy them like I buy saltwater taffy. I buy one or two of each and just mix them all up in a bag and surprise myself when I pop one in my mouth. The dark chocolate and the coconut are two of my favorites. And before I forget, I wanted to give a quick shout out to Shirley Marachnik, who found Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, in my last Las Vegas video, The Park Vegas. Congratulations, Shirley. Good eye. Here we have a nice casual pasta restaurant. We just passed a pizzeria. I believe there's 2 or 3 places you can actually order pizza here at Eataly. And like I said, the atmosphere is very casual. You can walk in right off the strip. Now, don't be concerned about what you're wearing or anything. And like I said, the prices are reasonable here considering it's located right on the Las Vegas Strip. As you guys know, I'm pretty much a wino at heart, and I find the wines here, they have a tremendous variety at great prices, or reasonable prices I should say, compared to, say, stores on the strip or inside the hotel. And this is pretty much my go-to place when I'm looking for a special bottle of wine for the hotel room. As I said earlier, the concept of Eataly was conceived in 2002, but the first store didn't actually open until 2007, and it wasn't in the US, it was in Torino, Italy. And the rest is history. Since then, Eataly has expanded with more than 35 locations throughout Italy and the world. They also have a huge website where you can purchase gifts and pasta and pantry items, as well as extra virgin olive oils and vinegars and sweets and home decor as well. I don't know, I'm starting to get hungry. How about you? If you're food curious, you can discover the stories behind the recipes, chefs, and producers that inspire Eataly through their classes, events, and market tours. They actually have a calendar on their website if you plan on visiting one of the Eatalys in the future, and they'll let you know when classes are and when tastings are, as well as tours. If you're traveling North America and you can't make it to the Vegas Eataly, there's 2 in New York City. Both of those videos are available here on the New York channel. One in Flatiron District and the other one downtown. There's also one in Chicago, Boston, Los Angeles, Toronto, and Dallas as well. And of course, there's others worldwide.
Hey, Paisani, you're watching the video, but you're not subscribed. I'm gonna call Nunzio, and he's gonna make sure you never see another New York video again unless you subscribe. And don't forget, thumbs up.
You know, the idea of just a bottle of wine and a crunchy loaf of Italian bread sounds perfect up in the hotel room, especially if you get one of those olive oil dipping sauces. Well, that's it for our walking tour of Eataly today. It's early in the afternoon. I have to say, in the evening, it's hard to find an empty chair in here. If you want, keep in mind that the Park Vegas is right next door. The Park Vegas being last Friday's video. Lots of empty tables and chairs there, day and evening, so you can get takeout here and eat outside if you'd like. So have you shopped Eataly? Have you eaten in Eataly? Leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.